Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online reputation with LinkedIn detailed guide step by step clearly. Step 1. Begin by creating a compelling LinkedIn profile. Step 2. Use a professional profile photo that represents you well. Step 3. Write a strong headline that reflects your current position and future aspirations. Step 4. Craft a summary that showcases your skills, experience, and values. Step 5. Include relevant work experiences with detailed descriptions. Step 6. Highlight your education, certifications, and any notable achievements. Step 7. Customize your LinkedIn URL to make it easy to share. Step 8. Regularly update your profile to reflect any new skills or experiences. Step 9. Manage your LinkedIn connections carefully, connect with relevant professionals. Step 10. Request recommendations from colleagues or clients to enhance credibility. Step 11. Engage with posts in your industry by commenting and sharing valuable content. Step 12. Join industry-relevant LinkedIn groups to expand your network. Step 13. Be mindful of what you post on your LinkedIn feed, sharing professional insights. Step 14. Monitor your LinkedIn activity to ensure alignment with your professional image. Step 15. Set up alerts for your name to track mentions across the platform. Step 16. Address any negative comments or reviews tactfully and professionally. Step 17. Utilize privacy settings to control who can see your profile information. Step 18. Familiarize yourself with LinkedIn's features, such as endorsements and articles. Step 19. Use LinkedIn's publishing platform to share original content. Step 20. Maintain consistency in your online presence across all platforms. Step 21. Regularly review your connections and remove those that no longer align with your goals. Step 22. Keep an eye on competitors to stay informed about industry standards. Step 23. Always uphold your professional integrity in all interactions. Step 24. Seek out mentorship opportunities to enhance your professional growth. Step 25. Remember that your LinkedIn profile is often the first impression you make. Step 26. Stay updated with LinkedIn's changing features and tools for optimum usage. Step 27. Cultivating a robust online reputation takes time. Be patient and persistent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.